Hello, this is Mike Guilfoyle, Vice President at ARC and Practice Lead of our Vanguard service, which is our guided service for end user executives engaged in industrial innovation and digital transformation. I'd like to just take a minute or two to tell you a little bit about our upcoming 25th annual ARC Forum, which will be held virtually this year with our main gathering on February 8th through the 11th, 2021, and then February 16th through 17th for supply chain and smart city specific topics. This year's theme will be accelerating digital transformation in a post-COVID world. The annual ARC Forum brings together leading industrial, manufacturing, energy, and smart city organizations from around the globe, including Fortune 10 enterprises to small and medium-sized companies, as well as the technology providers that support them. There are a few things I think that make the ARC Forum really unique, but the one that's most valued is the fact that the event is user-driven. ARC adheres to a strict policy for our presentations, so sessions feature end-user speakers telling their stories and providing practical advice about industrial innovation, free from marketing hype. The event is also informative. You get to learn from peers in the field that represent a spectrum of end users, from operations and IT professionals far along in their innovation to those that are really grappling with the fundamentals of operations. You'll also hear from supply chain and logistics leaders on the digital front lines, as well as thought leaders in public and private organizations implementing smart city and smart energy initiatives. This year at our main gathering, we'll get Wall Street's take on what transpired in 2020 that has fundamentally reshaped industry and what to expect in 2021 as markets, manufacturers, supply chains, and those that serve them continue to open up, innovate, and modernize in parallel. You'll also hear about the latest on the drive to innovate industry, covering all aspects of industrial digital innovation, including workforce modernization and culture change, service-based business models, reshoring, sustainability, and the technologies like cloud, machine learning, edge computing, IoT, cybersecurity, additive manufacturing, augmented and virtual reality, as well as autonomous assets and more. So if you're a Digital Transformation Council member, which is our end user only community, the great thing is you can register and attend the forum for free. To join the DTC, which also happens to be free, visit the Digital Transformation section under the Products and Services page at the ARC website, which is www.arcweb.com. Again, that's www.arcweb.com. I hope to see you at the 2021 forum.